Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search a store or search for a nearby store on the Douglas application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the fourth option. Then you should scroll down and tap on location or store locator in the middle of the screen. After that, you should set your city or type in the name of your city and type in the name of the store that you are looking for and click on the search button down below. And here you can find the result on the map. It's shown on the map, and tap on it if you want to check out the address. Opening hours are also available, as well as the phone number if you want to contact them for further details, and the email address and website too. If you want to plan your way there, tap on the this last button, and here you can find the instructions how you can get there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.